A very warm welcome to all. Today we are going to start new chapter that is biologics. You already know about that biology means it's related to living organisms. So biologics is like a substance which is made from a living organism or its product. And these are used to prevent diagnosis or treatment of the diseases. So now we will get to know about its definition in the next slide. Definition of biologics or biologicals. Biologicals, biopharmaceuticals or biologics are substances made from a living organism or contain components of living organism. For example, vaccines, blood, hormones, etc. Biologicals also known as biopharmaceuticals or biologics. These are kind of medicinal product which is made from our living cells, and these components may be contain of the living cells. So these are the some examples of biologicals like vaccines, blood, hormones. These are made up of living organism. Either their components may contain the living organism also. Let me tell you one thing about the biologics or biological. Its structure is used and made up of very complex. I mean to say, it is not easy to prepare its synthesized structure, and even if we give more heat, then it spoils quickly, and it also has to be protected from the microorganism. Next, we are talking about the few aspects regarding the biologicals. Biological include a wide variety of products derived from man, animal or microorganism by using biotechnology. Means we prepare biological medicine from the human like ligaments, blood, plasma, and from the animals like vaccines, hormones, and from the plants and other organisms by using the biotechnological process. So biologicals are used in the variety of the products with the use of the human, animals and microorganism, also with the help of the biotechnological process. Next, we are talking about the next aspect of the biological. Biological products may contain proteins, cellular process and gene which regulate the production of vital proteins. Proteins may be found inside the biological product which controls the another protein, cellular process and gene. If they are growing and also manage their functions, and they are also regulate or maintain the productions of the vital proteins. So biological helps to maintain the productions of the vital proteins. Next, biological aspects is biologics may contain modified human hormones or cell which produce substance that suppress or activate the immune system. Means some biological medicines are made up of changing the human hormones and cells. Due to that, a substance is produced in our body when injected, or another route we are given that biologicals. Due to that, the immune systems become suppressed or activated that time. Next, we are talking about the types of biologics. In this, you will get to know about the common classes of biologics. First is blood or other blood products like platelets, plasma, red cells, the examples of the blood or other blood products. Steroid hormone therapy. In this, testosterone, estrogen, progesterone or aldosterone are used as a biologicals in these steroid hormone therapies. And next is vaccine. BCG, hepatitis B, TTP, polio are the examples of the vaccines to prevent from the diseases. And next is antitoxins, formaldehyde, mercury, carbon monoxide, which counteract the toxins. And next is recombinant proteins. In this, insulin, coagulation factor like 8 or 9 can be used as a modifier of the genes by the recombinant DNA technology. Next is recombinant nucleic acid like growth hormone, blood clotting factors or hepatitis B vaccines. These are used after when they are constructed or synthesized outside of the living cells. Next is interleukins. In this, human molecules are used to treat the certain infections and cancer cells. Next, tendons, ligaments, or other materials are used for the transplantation. And monoclonal antibodies are used to treat the autoimmune disease and cancer also. Stem cell therapy. Stem cell therapy are used for the certain cancers and genetic diseases. Last is gene therapies are used for the genetic conditions like in Down syndrome, cystic fibrosis, hemophilia, thalassemia are the example of the gene therapies. So this is all about the types of biologics. Next we are talking about the indications of biologics or biologicals. In this we will know in which condition biologicals are used. Recently developed biologicals have been used for the treatment of autoimmune disease, cancer and also in certain genetic conditions. For example, rheumatoid arthritis, psoriasis, ankylosing spondylitis, Crohn's disease, multiple sclerosis, diabetic retinopathy, age-related macular degenerations, diabetes, gastric, breast, colon cancer, leukemia, lymphoma, infertility, osteoporosis, cystic fibrosis, hemophilia. These are the example where biologicals are used to treat the autoimmune disease, cancer and genetic problems also. Next we are talking about the treatment of autoimmune disorder with biological. First, TNF blockers or anti-TNF. TNF means tumor necrosis factors. These drugs are used to treat the autoimmune disorders and they also suppress the immune system. These are the drugs to treat the autoimmune disorder. These are used in the rheumatoid arthritis, Crohn's disease and psoriasis and so on. Next we are talking about the treatment of cancer with biologics. Biologicals are used to treat the cancer and also used as a first line treatment. And some biologicals are used when other treatment is not success. And biologicals are used along with the other treatment like antibodies. So these are the biologicals which are used to treat the cancer. Last is treatment of diabetes with biologic. Insulin is used to treat the type 1 diabetes. Here insulin are used as a biological to treat the type 1 diabetes. So this is all about the biologicals.